Hi there, I'm Angel Conlin and I'm Chief Insurance Officer at Kin Insurance. People often ask us, what should I consider when I'm choosing my coverage limits? Let's start off with the dwelling. The dwelling coverage is what actually covers your home, and when thinking about how much to buy, you need to really think about what would it cost to replace or rebuild my home should it suffer a total loss. Then let's think about other structures coverage. That's actually the coverage that provides for any other structures outside the home that you actually have on your property. This is things like garages, carports, fences, sheds. So if you have those structures on your property, you should be thinking about probably 20% or more of your dwelling coverage. Then let's talk about contents coverage. This is the coverage that provides for all of your belongings in the home, things like furniture, electronics, and clothing. It's common to purchase 20% or more of your dwelling coverage on this coverage as well. So you just need to ask yourself, what is your stuff really worth? If you have a lot of high value items, you might need more coverage. If you have a pretty sparsely furnished home, maybe you can get by with less. Then another important coverage is loss of use coverage. This is actually what pays for extra living expenses if you have a covered loss that makes your home uninhabitable. Typically, folks go for about 20% of their dwelling coverage on this one as well. Another one in a bit of a different area is personal liability coverage. This is what can pay for injuries or damages that happen on your property. And it's important to remember this can also help pay for your legal bills should you be sued. Based on that, we often recommend it may be beneficial to have at least $100,000 on this coverage. Then similarly, there's the coverage for medical payments. This helps cover the cost of medical expenses for any guests who may be injured on your property. Similarly, this may be one you want to think about $100,000 of coverage or more as well. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions about home insurance, feel free to leave a comment or visit kin.com. Thank you.